concentration, that is molality. Molality, it is another method of expressing the concentration in terms of solvent, or we can say that how much amount of a solute is present in a given solvent. How much amount of a solute is present in a given solvent. So, molality is defined as number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of the 1 kg of a solvent. And molality, it is denoted by small m. It is denoted by small m. And mathematically, according to the definition, it is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent. So, according to the definition, molality is equal to the number of moles of solute present in 1000 or 1 kg of the solvent. So, mathematically, molality is equal to the number of moles of the solute divided by mass of the solvent. And number of moles of solute is equal to WB by MB, or we can say that given mass of the solute divided by molar mass. Number of moles of the solute is equal to given mass of the solute divided by molar mass. WB represents given mass and MB represents molecular mass, and WA represents given mass of solvent. WA represents given mass of solvent. Now put this value in the formula, which is equal to WB by MB 1000 divided by WA, as the mass of the solvent is 1 kilogram. So, this is the formula of the molality. And one more thing, molality, it is temperature independent quantity. Temperature independent quantity. We can say that molality does not depend on temperature, as the temperature does not affect on mass. Now let's talk about its units. And molality, the unit of the molality is mole per kilogram or mole kilogram inverse, and we can also say that molal, or in simply it is represented as small m. Okay? Let's do a numerical on the basis of molality. Calculate the molality of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene. Now what do we have to calculate? Molality. And what is the formula of the molality? Molality, it is equal to WB by MB 1000 divided by WA. in which Wb is the given mass of the solute and Mb is molecular mass of the solute and Wa is the mass of the given mass of the solvent. If all these values are known to us, then we can easily calculate the molality, and in the statement what is given to us? 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid dissolved in 75 gram of benzene. Calculate the molality of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene. It means 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid is dissolved in 75 gram of benzene. So 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid is the mass of solute. So Wb is 2.5 gram and 75 gram is the mass of the given mass of the solvent. And Mb is the molecular mass of the solute of ethanoic acid having formula CH3COOH, and molecular mass of any compound is calculated by adding the atomic masses of the elements, present in that formula. So in this, how many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms. So molecular mass of ethanoic acid is calculated by multiplying the mass of there are 2 carbon atoms. So 2 into C. Multiply the 2 by the carbon atom, by the mass of the carbon atom, as there are 2 carbon atoms plus 4 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atom plus 2 oxygen atom. And what is the mass of carbon? Mass of one atom of the carbon, that is 12. And here 2 carbon atoms are there, so multiply by 2. Plus 4 into 1, as the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. And what is the mass of oxygen? It is equal to 16. So I have write here 16. Now what is its molecular mass? 16 gram per mole. So Mb is equal to 16 gram per mole. Now put all these values in the formula. 2.5 divided by 60, 1000 divided by 75, and molarity comes out to be 0.55 molar. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.